Hello there buddy, this is Buds from vaconnect and today, I will teach you how to sell a Canva template in vaconnect, so come on. First, go to the vaconnect platform by typing vaconnect.io in Google. Then log into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up first. Just press the sign up button and fill out the necessary details and create an account. Anyway, let's move on. Let's go to our dashboard. Make sure you are in the seller dashboard. Then go to the left panel and press Upload Software. Here you will see what you need to fill out when you are uploading any software or digital products. Let's start with the image. Make sure the size of your image is 590px by 300px. You can create an image using different photo editors, one of which is Canva. If you don't have a Canva account yet, I have put a link in the description so you can create a Canva account and create the image you want. Now let's put the image. Before this video I made an image that I'm going to use. Now let's put it. Let's follow the title. I have also prepared details that I will use for all the information I need in my Canva template for sale. Now let's put the title. Next are the category and subcategory. Includes features. After the tag, enter at least 3 tags. File include is next. Next is the demo URL. Here you will put a view link for the Canva template you will sell. You can get it right on the Canva platform, or you can also screen recording it and upload it to Google Drive and get the shareable link. Next is the documentation file. I have prepared details on my Canva template that I'm going to sell. This is where you enter important details on your Canva template. You can also add a preview image to it, and of course, a little flowery words to make it attractive, if you know what I'm saying. Download this document file as a PDF file. Then you can put it in the requirements. Now let's follow the software. You can put your Canva template link in the document, accompany it with a thank you for purchasing your digital products. Consider this a thank you page. Remember, vaconnect's requirements are zip files, and there we will put the documents that contain the Canva template link. This is what you do. Download the document containing the Canva template link as a PDF file. Go to your file manager. Here we will create a zip file. Just follow what I will do. Name the zip file. You can see here in my file manager the documents we downloaded earlier. What you do here is to copy these 2 documents and put them in the zip file. The zip file will serve as the folder for our Canva template. This is what our buyers will get in case they buy from us. Now let's go back to vaconnect and put the zip file in the requirements. Next is the description. Enter important information available in your digital product. Make it attractive for buyers. You can also edit it to make it look better. After entering all the details, check it again so that it is submitted properly. If everything is okay, you can press the submit button below. The software has been uploaded. Now go to Manage Software. Here you can see your submitted digital products. It is pending until vaconnect approves it. You can also edit it again, and now you just have to wait for it to be approved. After it is approved, you will see the green box in the status area. Now let's try to check it on the available software of vaconnect. And you're done. You can see here your uploaded digital products available online. Your Canva templates can now be purchased by any user of the platform. You can also promote it on different social media platforms that you have. Using the code VACBIZ26 to get a 10% discount on your service or software, valid until December 2022. That's it, buddy. Let us know if there is something we can help you out with. You can comment it on this video.